How to know Telegram user phone number. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to know Telegram user phone number. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, let's head over to Telegram. And for example, you want to know this person's phone number. So just click on their name and click on their name right here. And in here you can see their phone number. So in some cases the phone number doesn't appear. So what you need to do is to just search for this bot right here, which is the user info bot. So here it is, just click on that. And then click on start right here. And as you can see, it will show me my user ID first. In here you can just forward the message to this bot and they will send us the user ID. So let's forward this message right here to that bot and click on send, and then this will show us their user ID. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know Telegram user phone number. If you have questions or comments, kindly put them in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.